The concept of usefulness in relation to the environment is subjective. However, if we equate usefulness to human habitation or agricultural productivity, there are indeed regions on Earth that seem useless. Before we get started, make sure you subscribe to Unbridled Luxury so you don't miss out on more videos like this. Sahara Desert. Spanning a staggering 9.2 million square kilometers, the Sahara Desert sprawls as the largest hot desert on our planet. A vast expanse of parched wilderness stretching across the northern reaches of Africa. Its sheer magnitude is awe-inspiring, its golden dunes and rocky landscapes painting a portrait of otherworldly beauty. Yet beneath this striking facade lies an environment so challenging that it renders human habitation and agriculture almost impossible. Located in North Africa, the Sahara is synonymous with extreme temperatures, boasting some of the hottest recorded temperatures on Earth. During summer, the mercury can climb to well over 50 degrees Celsius, while nighttime temperatures can plummet dramatically. This stark temperature contrast underscores the harshness of the desert's environment, making survival a daunting task for any living creature. Arid conditions define the Sahara, with its annual rainfall often measuring in mere millimeters. The sun-drenched sands quickly absorb any moisture that comes their way, leaving little for plants and animals to thrive on. The limited water sources are precious oases where life congregates in a delicate balance. These isolated pockets of greenery are vital to the survival of species adapted to the desert's demanding conditions. Death Valley. Nestled in the heart of Eastern California, USA, Death Valley stands as a testament to the extremes that our planet's landscapes can embody. This barren expanse, covering 7,800 square kilometers, is notorious for claiming the title of the highest air temperature ever recorded on Earth. A scorching 56.7 degrees Celsius, 134 degree F. As the name suggests, Death Valley's unforgiving conditions make it inhospitable for human settlement, its arid terrain and extreme temperatures serving as a stark reminder of the boundaries of life on Earth. The defining feature of Death Valley is, without a doubt, its staggering temperatures. The sun's unrelenting rays beat down on the desert floor, causing the air to heat to unimaginable levels. During the summer months, temperatures regularly climb well above 40 degrees Celsius, 104 degrees Fahrenheit. And on that fateful day in 1913, the mercury reached a jaw-dropping 56.7 degrees Celsius, 134 degrees Fahrenheit. This record-setting temperature is a testament to the confluence of geographic factors and meteorological conditions that contribute to the valley's exceptional heat. While the heat is undoubtedly Death Valley's most notorious feature, the scarcity of water is equally impactful. The arid landscape is characterized by a lack of natural water sources. The valleys and canyons that make up the region offer little respite from the unrelenting sun, and the few streams that do exist are often mere ephemeral trickles that vanish quickly under the desert's intense heat. This scarcity of water is a significant factor in rendering the area inhospitable for human habitation. McMurdo Dry Valleys. In Antarctica, the McMurdo Dry Valleys are the coldest desert on Earth, devoid of ice despite the surrounding frozen continent. Limited precipitation and harsh winds make it a challenging environment for life. Interestingly, its conditions are said to be the closest to Mars on Earth. Chernobyl Exclusion Zone. In the aftermath of the catastrophic Chernobyl nuclear disaster that unfolded in 1986 in Ukraine, the world bore witness to the unassailable power of human technological endeavors gone awry. The disaster left an indelible mark on the region, leading to the establishment of a hauntingly quiet 2,600 square kilometer exclusion zone. This zone, once a bustling landscape of human habitation, is now a testament to the resilience of nature in the face of mankind's gravest errors. Paradoxically, as human activity retreated, wildlife has flourished in this unexpected sanctuary. The Chernobyl Exclusion Zone, a somber reminder of the disaster's aftermath, stretches across the landscape, encompassing the Chernobyl nuclear power plant and the surrounding areas. While the disaster's catastrophic impact on human health and the environment remains undeniable, It also inadvertently carved out a refuge for wildlife due to the near absence of human presence. The exclusion zone's transformation from a bustling human habitat to a haven for nature's resurgence is a tale of resilience and adaptation. Devoid of the familiar trappings of civilization, the area experienced a remarkable reversal of fortunes. The absence of human activity, including hunting and deforestation, created an unintentional safe haven for flora and fauna that had been pushed to the brink of extinction by human expansion. Before moving forward, make sure you subscribe to Unbridled Luxury so you don't miss out on more videos like this. Skeleton Coast. This 500-kilometer stretch of the Namibian coast is named for the whale and seal skeletons that once littered its shores. Foggy conditions, rough seas, and treacherous currents make it a shipwreck hotspot. Atacama Desert. Stretching like an endless canvas of desolation, the Atacama Desert unfurls its stark beauty across the Chilean landscape, a testament to the raw power of nature's extremes. This arid expanse, extending over 1,000 kilometers, stands as the driest non-polar region on Earth, a land where rain is an elusive stranger, and life's tenacity is a testament to adaptation. The Atacama's peculiarities reach far beyond its desiccation. Its soil, akin to the reddish hue of Mars, has found itself a testing ground for the rovers destined for the distant red planet. The Atacama Desert's reputation as an arid wasteland is nothing short of legendary. With some weather stations never having recorded rainfall, the desert's relentless dryness is almost unfathomable. The reasons behind this remarkable aridity lie in the unique combination of geographical and atmospheric factors. The Andes mountain range to the east acts as a formidable barrier, effectively blocking moisture-laden winds from the Pacific Ocean. The desert's proximity to the cold Humboldt Current adds another layer to its meteorological intricacies, creating a barrier that prevents moisture from penetrating inland. Lake Vostok. This subglacial lake in Antarctica, over 4,000 meters below the ice, is isolated from the atmosphere. Despite its harsh conditions, scientists have discovered extremophiles, organisms that thrive in extreme environments. Tristan da Cunha. The world's most remote inhabited archipelago, located in the South Atlantic Ocean, is 2,000 kilometers from the nearest inhabited land, St. Helena. Its location makes it impractical for most human activities. Danakil Depression. In Ethiopia, this is one of the hottest places on Earth in terms of year-round average temperatures. It's also one of the lowest places on the planet, 125 meters below sea level, and one of the most alien-looking landscapes. Great Pacific Garbage Patch. A silent testament to the consequences of human actions, the gyre of marine debris particles swirling within the central North Pacific Ocean stands as a haunting emblem of our impact on the environment. This immense expanse, estimated to span a staggering 1.6 million square kilometers, encapsulates a sobering reality. Our throwaway culture and disregard for the planet's health have created a desolate realm devoid of purpose, except to serve as a poignant reminder of our collective responsibilities. The Central North Pacific Gyre is a grim manifestation of the plastic waste crisis, a byproduct of our reliance on convenience and single-use items. As ocean currents converge in this region, they trap and accumulate marine debris, creating vast, swirling patches of trash that stretch as far as the eye can see. The particles within this debris range from larger discarded items to tiny microplastics, each representing a piece of the global waste puzzle we've collectively constructed. Spanning a territory equivalent to a country's landmass, this gyre is an eerie symphony of discarded plastics that have found their way into the ocean, carried by currents from diverse corners of the world. It's a chilling reminder that our actions have far-reaching consequences, transcending borders, and impacting even the most remote and seemingly untouched parts of the planet. Each of these places may seem useless in the conventional sense, but they serve as reminders of our planet's extremes and the impacts of human activity. Their desolation is part of the rich tapestry of Earth's diverse environments. Instead of viewing them as useless, we should appreciate their uniqueness and learn from them as we navigate the challenges of living sustainably on our shared planet. Remember to subscribe to Unbridled Luxury so you don't miss out on more videos like this.